Hello everybody, so today I will translate about the letter in 1884. This is about a real letter from a husband to a wife. So I will translate for you. Husband name Bob D and they will send for Dallas. Now let's go inside the letter. May 5th, 1884. My dear sister Emily, I was my pleasure indeed to receive your news with letter and of course, as I promised to unite to you, whom I believe are better from you. I am having my I am keeping my promise and doing so. I am glad you like the something I don't see in here, and that you feel that you feel something down apply something I don't know in here. The people and this comply and this community. This is about this community. Do not believe. This is about belief in. This is about trust. Just like this word. That and they are only have unwillingly in here. They are the only us morning and or something I don't can see in here. And the people their roof hit high gratefully, and they are always helping and fought something what are very cruel things. I cannot see in here. Crash up, crash up in New Jean. This is about the clothes and something the book mark, and then they are something I cannot see in here. They're strong. This is strong. It and the row will with head like Ross who of if against the pool very much, and they keep on throwing them on the game hill. The pool is full of them and is carried with blood. This is about the blood, and they gave a speak. They gave a speak in him and high roam something, I don't know. Of course, the bull tried all the time to reel the man. I think it would serve them right off if I did to you. This is on. They write in horizontal. Right now, they write in vertical in here. So I will move to the letter from this way. After I move on vertical letter, we can see another sentence. And go to school. I should like to see you milking the cows. I am glad you are useful and try to help and morning in this row, just like rowing in the cows. I suppose like help you in the house. It is very new to how. This is very new to something how, or maybe you to do everything, nothing, and doing something, I don't know, and it and something and to my and so you. I cannot see this one. How to do that is very this is very now. This is about now. I should like to see you on and I and find something I saw to do. If it does take you and this is about and this is about this you with match the new something I cannot see in here, and now nothing, love and kiss. This is about kiss. To like yourself and of yourself. I remind your loving sister signature in here. Oh, that is so hard. But if we look on the letter in here, I think this is about the letter from the husband to the wife from in the village, because we can see about cows milking the house. This is in the village. In here they want to say the husband want to help her, but he cannot help. Maybe the husband is in the battle with something in 1884. Maybe there is a battle. So that's why the husband sent a letter for the wife in the village. And in here, this is about the thank you. That's the end. Thank you for watching.